Over here, over here, over here. No. No. Over here. No. Go get it.
Stop.
Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah. You don't want to. You don't know where you want to go. Well. He's so beautiful and pretty. He's so cute and adorable. He's a seaboard. He's a seaboard. Oh, what a good puppy.
Bless you. We should get a water dish for him. I don't know if I could reach that other one. Need some water, honey. Need some water.
Yeah, do you need some water?
I need some water, doggies.
What? Over here, over here, over here. Okay, okay, okay. I know. Over here, over here, over here. No. Go get it. Oh, yeah, good boy. Yeah, he's so cute. No. Oh, Dougie, over here.
Some water?
Do you need some water, boy?
Yeah, some water.
There's some water, just in case.
Hey, stop.
Yeah, good boy. Water over here. Follow. Go. Look. There's water. There's water right there. There's water.
Mom.
Okay, no.
Let's go this way to the hallway. You will see
Yeah, to go. Look, there's water right there. There's water. Hey, Dougie.
Dude.
Dougie.
You need to go potty.
No.
Oh, you good.
Dougie, look. There's water over there. Ah! He's so funny. Yeah. I know. Ah! Last time, okay? Doug. No. Fetch. Yeah, good boy.